Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a fun video. This is the Crown of Jewels activity for March from Jenna at Queen of Diamonds channel. And this month's activity was to do the Queen's Quest, which was to find 16 canvases that you had either done or given away or are sitting in your stash, and to use those to find these different items, basically. So it'll make more sense as we go on. I will leave the items down below. I know it's the last day of March, but I will leave the link to Jenna's video down below if you wanted to watch her video, and I will leave what the 16 items are if you wanted to look and find them, or let me know in the comments what yours are, because that has been so fun seeing what everyone has. So I did not find all 16 canvases. I have 13. And I was not going to order canvases to fit the challenge, but I did try to find, like, even in my wish list items, the ones that I was missing, I was trying to find, you know, if there was a canvas in my wish list so I could share that with you guys, but I didn't even have that. So I was like, all right, whatever, 13 is fine. But without further ado, we're gonna get started. So number 1 is books or diaries. And as you can see, I've got Rainy Day Mermaid, and she is completed. So this is Rainy Day Mermaid by Erica the Goober and Diamond Art Club. It is a 50.7 by 63.9 round drill canvas. My favorite finish of last year, hands down. And you can see she's just in the tub reading her book. But are you kidding me? Look at this. So yeah, there's that. Okay, so numbers 2 and 3, I did not have. The number 2 was Magnifying Glass. I didn't have that. Number 3 is a purse, handbag, or luggage. I did not have that. And number 4 is a knife or a sword. And I have weapons. So this is Weathertop Hill from Diamond Art Club. It is licensed through, what is this? Middle Earth Entertainment LLC to New Line. So basically Lord of the Rings. One thing about me, I'm sure I've mentioned it a million times, I am a huge Lord of the Rings junkie. Ta-da. But anyways, so this is Weathertop Hill. We've got our favorite little hobbits here. We've got our wraiths. And then in the sky, you can see like the faces of the kings, you know, AKA these guys. So that's really fun. Creepy, but fun. So yeah, they've got their little swords here. And this one is a 70 by 93 centimeter square drill canvas. So my goal is to do this one and another Lord of the Rings kit that I have and put them in our living room once I'm done with them, but that's gonna be a whole project and a half. So until then, they're just gonna be in this challenge. Number 5 is potions. And for that, I have Alice in a Bottle. And this is Alice in a Bottle by Safina Art and Diamond Art Club. It's a 41 by 56 centimeter partial drill canvas. And I finished this one this year. She's so cute. So it's not technically a potion, but she drank the potion and now she's in the potion bottle. So love to see it. And I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but this one was a square drill canvas. Number 6 is Mouse or Small Critter. So we've got the White Rabbit. So this is Alice Puzzle by Diamond Art Club and Safina Art. I didn't even realize this was Safina Art. That checks out. I love Safina Art so much. So I'm very sad that most of her canvases have been discontinued. It's a whole other thing. But this is in my collection. It's a 51 by 69 centimeter. I don't know if it's round or square. I don't know. If I figure it out, I'll put it on the screen, but she has been in my collection for a hot minute. I think it's a square. But how cute. And here's our little critter, the White Rabbit. Number 7 was Horns or Antlers, and I kind of got like creative with it. And I have Christmas Drink by Mrs. Butter D and Diamond Art Club, 50.6 centimeter by 70.7 centimeter. Again, if I could figure out the drill size, I'll put it on the screen. I think it's rounds, but don't quote me. And here's her little antlers. I ordered this one with Fushimi Inari, which is the one I'm currently working on, when I was living in Wisconsin. So it's been a little bit, but I need to work on these because are you freaking kidding me? I am obsessed with her nails. Like the fact that it's red, green, red, green. Give me a break. She's just so cute. So that's what I have for number, what is this, 7? We're at the halfway point and we're finally breaking out of Diamond Art Club. This is Mary Poppins Jolly Holiday by Reagan Kubicek from Dreamer Designs. I believe this one's round, but again, don't quote me on it. If I figure it out, I'll put it on the screen. I love this one. Oh, number 8 is horse, by the way. So, number 8 is horse. Behold, a horse. And just look how freaking cute this is. I'm so excited. I need to figure out when the Reagan Kubicek event is, because I want to do her for the Reagan Kubicek event. She's so pretty. And I love Reagan Kubicek's art, and I just haven't done anything with the one that I have. So I need to do that. Okay, number 9 is Fire and Flames. So here's Fire and Flames in the form of Gandalf and the Balrog, licensed by Middle Earth Entertainment LLC to New Line from Diamond Art Club, aka more Lord of the Rings. This one is going to be so freaking epic when it's completed. This one's a square drill for sure. And it's going to look so good in my living room. Like the lava, come on. But yeah. Woo! We got a little "you shall not pass" action going here. We all know what happens next. Love to see it. And this one is a 70 by 93. Number 10 is Stars. And for that one, I have my current work in progress, which is Fushimi Inari. It is a 55.6 centimeter by 83.7 centimeter round drill kit. It is Yume Art, licensed with Diamond Art Club. And as you can see, it's got lots of stars. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is not my favorite kit with the way that they rendered the stars, but it has gotten better as I get lower. I'm about at the halfway point now, so I'm excited to see how it looks when it's all done. But that's what I've got for this one. Number 11 is Candle. So we're taking a field trip to look at Moonlight Bath by Randall Spangler. It is currently hanging in my guest bathroom, which is where my son always is, and he just loves these little draglings. So here it is. It's a round drill kit. Don't even ask. Let me tell you a funny story about this. So let me see if I can get backwards a little bit. Okay. All I did with this is literally cut the edges off, cut around it, you know what I mean? And then thumbtacked it to the wall. And it has been like that for weeks. I attempted to go to Hobby Lobby to get it like dry mounted and whatever. The lady was so unbelievably rude. And like, it rubbed me the wrong way so hard that I just decided it wasn't even worth it. So, but I've had no issues with this. Maybe at some point I will change it to nails. But in the meantime, it's doing just fine hung there with the thumbtacks. And it looks so good. And there's the candles. Look at his little toes, oh my gosh. Anyways, back to the bedroom. Number 12 is Crystals or Gems. And so I picked Jasmine Made for Soren, which is a 33 centimeter by 44 centimeter Lil Diamonds from Diamond Art Club. Round drill kit. And here's the gem, her little headpiece. Little Raja. I love it. Of number 13, which is Flag. And I gave that one away to my aunt and uncle like years ago. Here's the picture. I don't remember any of the information about it, but it was like a really nice, like patriotic thing. So there it is. Breathe it all in, enjoy it. If I find the information, I'll put it on the screen as well. For 14, I have Moon, which is Night on the Polar Express by Mandy Manzano, licensed through Polar Express and Warner Brothers. via Diamond Art Club, and it is a 79 by 56 centimeter, I want to say square drill. This is what happens when you just start storing kits and canvases separately and you don't keep the boxes. But are you kidding me? You see the big moon over in the corner. I love these hanging lanterns. Like, give me a break. I'm gonna do this one this year for sure. I have to. It is so flipping good. This is one that'll like hang on the wall at Christmas time. It just has to. It's so good. Number 15 is Broom, and I don't have anything on my wish list or in my stash or in my completions that has a broom in it. So we're skipping over that one too. Which brings us to number 16, which is Eyeglasses. And for Eyeglasses, I have Kiwi by Diamond Art Club. Not sure, let me see if I can find the size. It's gonna be way up here in the corner because this is a really old kit. 47 by 59 centimeter. Kiwi, don't know the artist. It's so old, I just don't know. And she's so cute. Like, she's got these little heart-shaped glasses and a little drink. And this is gonna be such a fun summertime one to do. My goal is to do it this year. But I'm so excited that I have this one. Thank you to Ureli for sending it to me. That was so sweet. And yeah. So that is it, everybody. That is all, I think, 13 kits that I've got to meet this challenge. Again, I will have Jenna's video linked down below. I will have the prompts in the comment section down below. Well, in the description down below. So if you want to leave a comment with what kits you have in your stash, that'd be so fun. Maybe you guys can find the 3 that I couldn't find because I'm just slack-a-lackin'. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a great diamond painting month. And I hope you had a great day, night, whenever you are watching this. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.